Good evening, folks. Welcome to 643boxbreaks.com. Hat trick break number 28 of 1213 certified. First, we'll go through our 5 plus teams. We had 5 plus winners. We had 3 today. First one we have was Crow. So I have a Dominion jersey card of Cronwall, number 96 of 100. So I usually give 2 for these, but if I have one of these cool Dominions, I give 1. So that's for you, Crow. New Jersey Devils man. I know you're from Alberta. I still don't know if you like the Flames or the Oilers. I assume you like New Jersey, but I'm out of New Jersey, so I do have a couple Oilers cards for you. If you hate the Oilers, which could be highly possible, let me know and I'll switch them out. But anyway, we have two Hemskis. So they come in sets of 4. So that's 2 of the set of 4 for you. And TJ, you're gonna get a Kipper and a Glencross. You have that one, do you, Crow? Okay, I can switch that one out. I might have something else. I'll look after the break. So, list. And I know this goes crazy in the live feed, but you can see it real good in the video. So, Fat Polly, Anaheim, TJ, Boston, Buffalo, New Jersey Devils man, Calgary to Crow, Canes to Edge, Chicago, TJ, Colorado Todd, Columbus, New Jersey Devils man, Dallas, Felix Victoria, Crow, got the Wings, Oilers to Bummer Boy, Panthers to New Jersey Devils man, as well the Wild, Kings to TJ, Crow got the Canadians, Preds, Felix Victoria, Aaron Gutter Devils, Islanders, New Jersey Devils man, Rangers, Crow, TJ Ottawa, Philly, Felix Victoria, Phoenix, went to TJ, Pittsburgh, New Jersey Devils man, Sharks, Felix Victoria, Blues, Crow, Louis got his Tampa Bay Lightning, TJ got the Leafs, and Canucks, Marty Jannetty, and New Jersey Devils man got the Caps and the Jets. Serial number 1909-36504. As advertised. So, less chatter, more opening. Let's do this. I can do a better job opening this box than the last one. That's the best bet right there. There we go. $50. Hey, PJ. All right, pack number 1. A Grabo base. List. Oh, I got a hit right off the bat. Mark off. Sedin. PJ drinks while Zach breaks. Yeah, that's pretty much true. Spacer. And hit number 1. Path to the Cup. So we got a Phoenix and a Chicago. So that one's going to need a random. Actually, no, it's not. It goes to TJ because he has them both. All right. And remember, we're looking for Carey Price and Lundqvist cards. Vodka base. Well, we got a hit here. The Nuge. Patrick Kaleta. I think we got 2 hits in this one. Brian Boucher. Mass Marbles. Kerry Lettinen, 141 of 999. Dallas goes to Felix Victoria. And another Path to the Cup. Jersey version. Number 224 of 250. Wings and Preds. So Wings is Crow and Preds is Felix Victoria. So I'm just going to put that one aside and we'll random it here shortly. I'm going to give you both hits for that though. Either way. All right. Jamie Benn. Gino. Juru. Spacer. Gabrick. And a Jagger. Space pack number 1. Should be 2. Ooh, this one's got something good. It's super thin. They usually try and trick you with the super thin ones. Never know though. Bufflin. Kadri. Jonas Hiller. Patrick Eliash. And Hemsky. So I guess they did deceive me on that one. Usually those something in them. That's our 2 base packs. All right, that's something good in here. Mark Stahl. From the back. Kessler. Zetterberg. And looking pretty red here. Greg Anderson. 197 of 199. It's one of those Ruby parallels, I guess. Goes to the Sens. And the Sens. TJ. All right. That's either a monster card or a monster spacer. Jeff Carter. Brandon Morrow. believe that's a card. It is a card. Bergeron. Antipov. And, ooh, what is this? Nice. What the? The little window slides right out of it. Brian Elliott for the Blues. Goalie pulls. See how they slide out? Yeah, of 25, so numbered 16. 16 to 25. These cards are so reflective, the thing doesn't like to focus, but that's what it is. Those are pretty sweet. You don't see many of those. That's gone to St. Louis and Crow. So yeah, I've never seen one of those yet. So super thick with a little slidey window. Very cool cards. And congrats, Crow. Crow has real good luck in our breaks lately. We cleaned house on the last one. There's TGU. Okay, Tyler Myers. Danny Heatley. Oh, that's a hit. Let's throw him last. Mike Green. Calamari. Spacer. And Jean Bellevue. Immortals. Also gone to Crow. Numbered 294. 999. All right. Oh, and Lewis. So that's hat trick for Crow. So free team for Crow. We'll deal with that shortly. 3 packs left. All right. Brandon Smith. Let's say Shea Weber. And we have a Grabo. And from the back, Henrik. PK Subban. And Fabric of the Game. Nice. Matt Duchene. And it's serial numbered. Number 4 of 50. So I believe that's going to Todd. So Todd, I believe, will be very pleased with that. Yeah. Is he not online? And yeah, because it has a 4 in the serial. If there's ever a 4 or a 6 or a 6, 4, or 3 in the serial, and it's only a single number, you get a refund. So that's a pretty awesome hit. The only team he bought, and he gets his money back. So good day for Todd. Do that. Backlund. Commonville. Wolski. What? This isn't a base pack, is it? Spacer? Huh. Briere and Tavares. They snuck in an extra base pack. The sneaky buggers. 3 base packs. I suppose there was one with 2 hits, though, so equals out. Yeah, PJ3. That was the 3rd base pack. Or not. Brandon Smith. Shea Weber. And the fabric of the game of Jack Johnson. And that goes to New Jersey Devils man. Numbered, hard to see, 160 to 299. You see my webcam, that's about it with these cards. There you go. So congrats. And an Eric Johnson and a Parise. Alright, so 1 card to random. And then a hat trick free team to give away. Just let me double check if there's anybody else. Don't think so. 1, 2. Oh, that's it. So, for the Detroit card, numbers 1 to 15 are going to be Crow, and Felix Victoria, I believe, was Nashville. Yeah, so that'll be 16 to 30. So I'll pick this camera up. There we go. Goes to Crow, number 4. All right. So let's do the hat trick bonus for Crow while we're at it. Number 30. And this will be in Friday's break, a week from tonight, Crow. So yeah, we're doing a break on Thursday next week, which is a replacement break for the one we missed on Wednesday. So we're doing that on Thursday, but that's already free teams given away in that one, and it's already passed. So we'll do Friday for this one. Come on to there. Here we go. Dropping down 30. Oh, bonus. It fell out, but it went into the bonus. Does that count as a Legends bonus, PJ? Giving out free teams? I don't even know what that says in our listing. It's the first time it's ever happened. Yeah, it does? All right, then. I forgot to even show you. I didn't expect that to happen. So the new Legends bonus card on this side is Grant Fuhr, number to 25. So it's a pretty sweet new addition to the Legends bonus. That's going to be given away right now. And let's give away the Legends bonus card first, and then we'll redo Crow's free team. Number 20. So, for the Legends bonus winner, dropping down 20. Whoa, sucker's cruising. Going to the Canes. Who are the Canes? That's Edge. So congrats, Craig. That's a pretty sweet card for you to snag with the Canes. Now let's do another drop for Crow. Going down 2. Rangers. That's a pretty sweet team to get for free. Just make a note here. So congrats on that. Next up, Plinko board free break. We're giving away one slot tonight. Same deal as always. 16. So this is for a free team in our free box. Box number 3. Penguins. Penguins are New Jersey Devils man. So congrats. I think you got slot 7 in a new free box we're doing. Next up are going streaking. So we have a bunch of people that are getting pretty close here. We have Aaron is at 9. So one more and you're going to get a free team. TJ, 8. 2 more for you. And then we have Edge 88,000, Felix Victoria, and Bummer Boy, each at 5. So yeah, keep an eye on those for breaks. And our breaks next week are Thursday and Friday, just so you know. And yeah, a couple free teams coming up soon. So yeah, as PJ just said, we gave away the Legends card already, so there's no point in doing the cup picking for the Legends. But we are going to do off the post. So off the post bracket is for no hit. And as long as the team that I draw from this Frankenstein did not get a hit and doesn't already have a slot, you're going to get a position in our Pack Wars tournament. So the people that already have those slots are Aaron, J. Ross, Linda Scouts, and Crow. So you're all on the left side of the bracket, so we have 4 more slots to fill in on the right, and we'll pull one of those now. Blackhawks. And Blackhawks did have a hit, so we got to repull that one. And we got Buffalo. Buffalo did not have a hit. And Buffalo is New Jersey Devils man. And you do not have a slot yet, so I don't think. Nope. So now you do. Congrats. You get the free team and the off the post slot. All right. So that is about it. I'm going to give away one extra card, just because, why not? So I have one of these guys. Artifacts rookie of Kreider, the most coveted rookie this year. So we're going to give that guy away too. The Plinko board. So we're dropping down 12. Here's 12. So for the Kreider Artifacts rookie. Let's go on to the Kings. And the Kings is TJ. So congrats on that. And that's the break for the night. Thursday night we're doing our replacement for this week's Wednesday break, and that's the war against J. Ross for the box of Ultimate. But each opening a box of Ultimate, and with bounty cards. Our bounty card is this Kreider, the Emerald version of 99, and he has Nugent Hopkins card on his side. So look for that, and you guys enjoy your holidays and have a great Christmas. And we'll see you next week. Thanks a lot.